the best part. Taste time! It is so good. Why need to get almonds when you can just use some jackfruit seeds? Today I have with me some jackfruit seeds, and I'm sure you must have guessed it. And what are we making with these? Hey guys, I'm Kitcha. I cook, I eat, I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KitchaTube HD. We're making this super famous, super awesome jackfruit seed shake. People say it tastes just like the almond shake. So I want to try it out and check it out. Since it's lockdown, I couldn't get any jackfruits. But then a few days ago, I got a few jackfruit seeds from my neighbor. So let's do this. First, we're going to peel off the skin from the jackfruit seeds. I kept it to dry in the sun so it's easy to peel off. Now let's do this. The ingredients needed are a few jackfruit seeds, ice cold milk, Boost or Bonvita, sugar, condensed milk, and vanilla essence. Let's pressure cook this for 6 whistles. I put some water inside the pressure cooker. Let's close this up. Let's turn on the heat. Let's wait for 6 pressure whistles. And that's the last whistle. Let's switch it off and wait for it to cool down. Jackfruit seeds are well cooked. Now I'm going to cut them into the middle so that it's easier to grind. If you want, you can peel off the skin, but I'm keeping it on as it's filled with vitamins. We have cut the jackfruit seeds in the middle. Now let's start blending. And some milk. First, I'm going to grind this into a paste. Then I'm going to add rest of the ingredients. Let's blend. It has become a fine paste. Let's move on to a bigger blender to make the milkshake. Let's take the jar out. First, add the paste, milk, ice cold milk, sugar, condensed milk, vanilla essence. If you don't have vanilla essence, you can use cardamom powder too. Boost or Bonvita, this is optional. I'm adding Boost or Bonvita because I want some chocolateness. Let's wait for it to blend. We got 2 glasses with us and a little bit of Bonvita. Now what we're going to do is pour it in. Jackfruit is indeed the king of fruits. Not only you can eat the flesh, the seed can be used to make this yummy milkshake. I can't even believe it. Now it just tastes just like an almond shake. Why need to get almonds when you can just use some jackfruit seeds? And that Bonvita boost gives an extra boost to this shake. Do try this out and show me. I would love to see you drinking this yummy shake. Now thanks for watching. Bye guys. And don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KitchaTube. Bye guys.